Welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your smartwatch. If you are thinking about selling your smartwatch and you don't want any personal data stored in it to be seen, or maybe you just set a wallpaper you didn't like and want to start it fresh, this video is here to help. I will show you every possible place where the factory reset option might be located, regardless of the model. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. One of the first places where you might find the factory reset option is in settings. Let's go directly there. Sometimes it's appear as a plus icon like this one right here. Other times it says settings or system settings, etc. Let's click on it, and sometimes right there you will find the factory reset option. In this particular case it is not there, but that one of the first place to check. The second option is going to over here. Well, in this case it's not available either, so that's not it. But again, that's another common place you can find it. Sometimes you can also swipe from right to left across the screen to reveal a different menu. So how do you do it on this specific watch? Super simple. When you try to power it off, you will see the slide to reset option. Sometimes it's shown as a thick arrow wriggling like a recycling symbol, something spiral like. That's where you want to go. You slide it and it will begin to factory reset. It didn't reset the first time, but if it's slided properly, the reset option will appear and the process will begin. All data, absolutely everything, will be erased. Once the process finishes, go back to the watch and you will notice even the wallpapers have changed. That's how you know the factory reset worked completely. As you can see here, before it had this menu style, now it's different. It had a different layout in the beginning. You saw it and now it's gone. So folks, that's how you perform a factory reset on your smartwatch. Well, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoy it and you like it. Please leave us a comment, give us a like, and share this video. It is going to help us a lot to reach more people. See you in the next one. Bye bye.